Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and on a Saturday. And we're middle of the month, so it's not cards in the mail to me, or not a usual one. So recently I have done a postal swap with my team, who were all amazing. You will see a video tomorrow of me putting together all of the swap packs, but we had 54 including me, who took part, and they posted everything to me, and then I sorted and sent everything out, and many of them sent in little extras for me as well. So there's some of them, there's a special swap just for me, others put gifts and things in, and I've got a big pile of stroke waffles here, which I absolutely love these. I found these when I was 14, the first time I went to the Netherlands, and the lovely Yanni put these in a parcel for me with a card, which is in amongst a pile here, and she also had this specially made for me, which, let me get it the right way around. She's had this specially made, and let me tip it in the light. It says, don't put it down, put it away, which I think you've probably all heard me say many times over. I'm very, very tidy in my office, and I have everything. None of my craft supplies are behind closed doors, as I call it. They're not in drawers or cupboards or boxes or anything like that. They're all where I can get at them. So for example, if I was to grab a ribbon, or I needed to use a ribbon, I'd get it off my shelf, cut the bit, and then put it straight away. So I don't put it down, I put it away. It cuts out the middleman. So I love this, so I need to get a frame for it. But she put that in for me. And then I've had other treats that all came with the swaps as well. So this is from the lovely Janice Thompson. This is a chocolate whisper bar. And I love that. Today is a chocolate kind of day. Might eat that for my lunch. And I've got these in. So many of them, because I was paying for the postage on the way out, they've all said, you know, we want to contribute as well. So some of them put stamps in for me. I don't use stamps, actually. I use online mailing, so I can sell these to my dad. But how cool are these ones? Just love it. These are Paddington Bear stamps. My dad uses stamps a lot, but they are just brilliant. So those are the stamps, and those are the stickers that can go with it. But yeah, my dad uses them, so he'll take those off my hand. But yeah, they put in stamps for me as well, which is really sweet. So lovely card here. This one's from Kayla Love. That's very pretty. She's like me. She likes to be a little contrary with the Forever Greenery suite. This one is from Lisa Emsley. So she is Little Owl Crafts. How pretty is that? I wonder how she's done that. I might have to ask her how she's done that bit there. Fabulous. And this one is Tracy Walkton. So Tracy's been with my team for a long time, and I'm going to do a big shout out to Aaron, who is her son, and he is brilliant. I love his crafts. And whenever we have a team get together, I always try and go and find him and say hello, because he often comes up with his dad, with Tracy, and he will sometimes make me a little craft goodie too, which is very sweet. So shout out to Aaron, and of course Tracy. Who's this one from? This is from Hilary. So Hilary's over in the Netherlands as well, and I love that. That's just so pretty, just that pop of shine. Gorgeous. This one is Laurie. So these aren't their swaps. The swaps, kind of, you'll get a glance at them tomorrow, but these are the extra cards they put in for me. They're so sweet. My team is just the best. Laurie, loving the holographic at the back here. Can you see that? It's rainbow holographic back there. Always trying to focus on the cards in the background. Rainbow holographic here. Love it. Right, who is this one from? Oh, this one's got money in. This is, oh, Sue, thank you very much for coming. Look at that. I've donated a donation towards the cost of the postage. So sweet. So Sue, this is Sue Bishop, and Sue B's Papercrafts. Love that. I didn't realise there was money in there. Lucky me. But no, that's going to cover the postage costs. This one is Lee Allison. So Lee is Toadstool Craft. So most of our team are online somewhere. You will see them. So that's fabulous. This one, so this was an extra swap for me. So later in October, you will see what I've given everybody in the team. So basically everybody was invited to make 6 swaps, post them to me, and then I would send out 6 different ones to them, and some of them put extras in. So who is this one from? Karen Matthews. those. So that's Karen's first swap with us. I love that. So Karen's not been long with us. So Karen, are you online? Have you set up your blog yet? I don't think you have. I think you should. Don't we all think that Karen should set up her blog? I think so. This one is from the lovely Heather Forgan. So, oh Heather, what is your blog? Oh, it's fallen out of my brain. So Heather is up in Scotland. It's going to come to me in about 8 cards time. But look, she knows I love a rainbow. Everybody knows I love a rainbow. Very sweet. Natalie. So this is Natalie Arnold. I can't remember your blog name either. Probably should have had them all written down, but actually if you just googled Natalie Arnold Stampin' Up or Heather Forgan Stampin' Up, you'd come to them. But both of those lovely ladies have blogs. This one, who's this one from? Jane, lovely Jane Frank. So this is her first swap as well. So some of these ladies are new to us in the last few months, and yeah, it's great that they jumped on board straight away and said, yeah, we'll take part in the swap. Look at that, that's brilliant. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And I have another one here. Who's this one from? Karen Egan. She's Crafty Karen Designs. Yes, Crafty Karen Designs. And that's lovely. She knows I love this paper. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Right, I have another one here. Your friendship is a blessing. Oh, more cash in there. Which Karen is this? We had all the Karens. Most of the Karens take part. We have 15 ladies called Karen in our team. At one point, I think we had 18. Every single one of our Karens is not at all the horrible meme stereotype. They're absolutely amazing. But it does cause me problems sometimes when they cash in vouchers and they just sign it Karen, and I'm like, I don't know which one. There was a time, quite a few years ago, when there were more Samanthas than anybody else, but at the moment I think there's just 5 of us. This is my lovely Kay Mella, Papercraft Skies. I love that. She is a massive fan of the product medley that we've got at the moment, Boho Indigo, and although this isn't Boho Indigo, it's very much the colours, so she's done loads of stuff with that. So if you're on the fence about Boho Indigo, go and check out Kay's stuff. Who's this one? I think this might have been a swap. This is Jez Carpenter, who's Nigeza Creates. I'm sure she made this as her swap as well, but then there was a special one for me. She's so sweet. Doesn't she make lovely stuff? She does the funniest videos. I watch her videos and giggle. And this one is Yvonne Flitton. So, oh, I wish I'd got one of her swaps. Yvonne did a 3D project. In tomorrow's video, it's in the top right-hand corner. That doesn't help at all, does it? Very sweet. Thank you. Well, here's Boho Indigo. Who's this one from? Ah, Natsi. So Natsi Hanger is over in France, and she has put this together, and this is her first swap as well. So love it. I love that. So a little bookmark tucks in there, and it's a card like that. That's really lovely. Very sweet. Very lovely. Another one here. Who's this one from? Ivy. So Ivy was super sweet, and we had lots of people who said, yes, I want to be part of the swap, and a couple of people had to pull out at the last minute for varying reasons. And so Ivy did 18 cards in total just to make up for gaps and stuff, which was just brilliant. But yeah, she stamped all of the inside as well, and love it. I miss this. This is Morning Star. That stamp set. I did give it out actually as a gift. So why have I kept an envelope? I don't know. It just says for you, Sam. And another little one in here. There's a little more stamps. Sarah Hay. So Sarah Hay is down on the Isle of Wight. Don't think there are very many demonstrators down there. So go and check her out. Sarah Hay, H-A-I-G-H. Sarah, I don't think you've got a blog either. But yeah, definitely check her out if you're on the Isle of Wight. Oh, there's some more stamps. These are from Anne. I think it's just simply the stamps from Anne. I don't know if there was a card from her. And then this is from my lovely Astrid. So Astrid is over in Austria, and I'm trying to get you to see it. So it sits like that. So there's a pencil on the front, and then there's an eraser in here. And I am going to say that this is, I'm going to destroy it because I do want to get the eraser out, or because she sent me them in the past, and I believe they are Austrian aristocracy. I'm not completely certain I've got that accurate, but she sent me these before, and they are really good. They're from Germany. There's irony in there. So I don't know who Sissy is. Is that Sissy or is it Fissy? I don't know, but she sent me these in the past, and they are brilliant. They're so good that my children have pinched them. Because, yeah, I haven't got any in here at the moment. So now I have. But that's really clever. With a pencil on the front and with the same matching person. I don't know who that is. Oh, Austrian folk, let me know. But isn't it a beautiful card too? So, yeah, all sorts. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you ever so much, everybody, for joining me and my wonderful, remarkable team. Keep an eye out tomorrow for a video of me putting all of the swap parcels together. It's kind of a video of me pushing. It's all the little stages that I went through. And then in October, you'll see the gift that I sent to everybody. Speak to you very soon. Bye.